I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to silence those pesky notifications on Mint Mobile, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your device. This is usually represented by a Get icon. Step 2. Select Notifications. Scroll down and tap on the Notifications option. This section allows you to manage all notification settings for your apps. Step 3. Choose the app. Find and select the specific app for which you want to turn off notifications. For example, if you want to silence messages, look for the Messaging app. Step 4. Toggle off notifications. Once in the app settings, look for the toggle switch next to allow notifications and turn it off. This will stop all notifications from that app. Step 5. Confirm changes. Exit the settings and check if the notifications are indeed turned off. You might want to send a test message to see if you receive any alerts. Now you can enjoy a quieter experience without those interruptions. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.